Good morning. I just want to show you how good OBS Studio is. It's a free product that you could download and create videos, and you can build the edits in. It's at the moment, it's actually 8:32 in the morning. Okay. And basically, I have just started recording. I've pressed record there, and now I'm recording my video. I've already edited my name bar in. I did that by pressing a button on my keyboard. I'm able to share video within video, like that. That enables me to share videos in my video if I wanted to. I can share my screen. There you go. That's me sharing my screen, showing you about the Video Creators Club. By the way, big happenings in January. We've got a big announcement. We're having a relaunch of the club. Lots of different great things for you, including courses on YouTube, editing, video making, and all the rest of it. So basically, this is how good OBS Studio is. Now, this afternoon at 2 o'clock, I am running a workshop on how to create and how to use OBS Studio and create videos and have the edits like this all built in. So all you have to do is hit record, and then you can press some buttons as you go and create the video. At the moment, we have got an offer on that if you use the code video50, that you will get the course for half price. We normally charge £100, but we're only charging £50 at this time. So use the code video50. The link is in the description to book on. So if you'd like to find out more about creating and using video in your business, then feel free to get in touch. I'd love to help you. I'd love to help you understand video, and I'd love to help you get started. All right. Cheers then. Bye-bye. By the way, it's now only 8:34. That's how quick it is and easy it is. All right. I'll see you at 2 o'clock.